How to add extra baggage in Air India. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to add extra baggage in Air India. To add extra baggage to an Air India flight, you could follow these steps. So first thing first, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in airindiaexpress.com. When you type in that information, you'll be taken to the official page, which will look something like this. While you're on this page, you want to go ahead and enter your details and go to the add-on page. So basically what next you want to do is, after that, select the extra carry on in the cabin baggage section and choose your seat and complete payment as well. For the pre-book excess baggage, when booking your flight or later through Manage My Booking or during check-in, up to 2 hours before your flight departure. And for a pre-book extra carry-on, you need to select 3 kgs and 5 kg slabs. You could also check the airline's website for update information. So it's usually cheaper to book extra luggage allowances in advance, and most airlines offer discount to up to 50% if you pay online instead of at the airport. With that being said, you've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.